Hi, welcome back to our channel. It's called Under Our Roof. My name's Haley, and my fiance Cody and I bought this house that we're completely renovating. I already have our kitchen renovation video up, our living room renovation video, and then now it's time to show you how we did the dining room. So we've already ripped up all the carpet, ripped out all the baseboards, took off the outdated ceiling fan. It also had popcorn ceilings, so I plastered over it because it had been painted over already, so we couldn't scrape off the popcorn ceiling. So I got the job of plastering all of it. So we painted everything white, and then ceiling and walls, everything white. And then we're moving the fan was actually kind of off centered. So now it's called a fandelier. Cody's installing that right now. If you don't know what a fandelier is, please keep watching till the end, and we'll show you how that works and what that is. Oh, then one morning I woke up, I saw that a local nursery was having a sale on their indoor plants. It was all 50% off. So I said, Cody, let's go, get up. So it was 145, half off that, and then 45 and half off. And I ended up splitting that snake plant into 3 different plants. But I already had this pot was from Home Goods, no, Tuesday morning. And then we went to a local um, like florist shop, and that's where I got the more black and white pot that you can see at the bottom of the screen. And this was from Ross, 14 bucks. So I wish I would have shared this tip in more of my other videos, but for the baseboards around the whole house, I used this, I think it's a straight edge that it's in the painting section. I want to say it's used for like the paint sprayers, but I used that along all the base of the baseboard so that I didn't have to tape the bottom, and it really worked, and it really saved a lot of time. So now it's time to put the dining room back together again. It stayed like this for a little bit, so you're gonna see it's pretty plain, but after you have construction going on in your house for about a year, plain is a good feeling and clean is a good feeling. Violet hates this vacuum. She always attacks the vacuum, so I usually put her up in her room, but for this one I didn't. But this is how the dining room ends up staying for a couple of months, and then you'll see I start adding some pieces to it. So the first thing I ended up wanting to add is this. I kept calling it a hutch. I don't know if that's the right word for it, but it's where I want to keep like fancy dishes or things that I won't be needing that often. And then I also wanted it just to put kind of like some decorations on and just add to the room. I got it off of Amazon. It is pretty inexpensive and it is kind of inexpensive quality, but it works and I don't regret it. And then I wanted to add some curtains. It took me a long time to figure out what color to go with. Did I want white? Did I want gray? Did I want black? So you'll see what I end up going with. And I got them off of Wayfair, so those will also be linked down below. And then my favorite part, time to decorate. I ended up getting this clock. It was originally $99, but of course everything at Hobby Lobby is half off. So I got this half off. And then these arches were also from Hobby Lobby and got them 50% off. I want to say maybe about 20 bucks a piece. And then everything else is what I had. So same with like the living room decoration video, I put everything out that I might want to decorate with. I put it all out on the kitchen table and then I'm just grabbing from there and seeing what I want to use and what I want to put away. So now I'm setting up the area where all the nice dishes will be held. I know I'm going to end up organizing it better, but when I'm doing like a huge project all at once, I like to just kind of put things in the areas that I know they're going to go in and then fix it later. So nothing I'm setting up here is looking quite right, but I'm going to keep it here. Spoiler alert, my next video, it moves again. So I know that this area is going to keep moving and keep changing, but this is how I'm going to have it for now. And then I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate to this and do this in your own home. If you'll put some decorations out, you know it's not quite right, and then you'll get to it later. So here's a reminder of what it looked like before and now what it's currently looking like with new paint, new flooring, new everything, and it just looks like a completely different house, new space. If you like this style, please subscribe. I'll be doing more of the, you got a taste of everything right here, the renovation, the decorating, the cleaning. I'm going to be posting more videos like this, so please subscribe. Please like the video if you liked it and leave a nice comment. And then here's, I think, the coolest part. This is the chandelier. So it's a fan and a chandelier. So with the press of a button, the fan comes out, and it works. It feels like a real fan is above you. So I'll have that link down below too if you're interested in checking it out. But thank you for watching.